Hi, I just wanted to come back for part 2. So this is a little extra in case you wanted to add some layering to the first haircut that we did at home. The first haircut is fine, but I've noticed for my hair, it's still a little too heavy. So I'm gonna turn around and show you. Hopefully it's laying to where you can see it. There's a little bit of layering, but it's still, for me, it's just weighing too much. So I'm gonna put a little layering into it. And it's the same thing you can do at home. So we can see that, I mean, it's still pretty even, but it's just, my hair is thick. So if your hair's thick, this is something that you can do. I pretty much split it down the middle and the back, and I'm gonna just take a section probably right at the occipital bone and a little triangle. I'm just gonna grab it and try to make your sections a little even, and then we're going to bring that up. Now my hair is so long, so I'm going to bring it forward and see how it just drooped like that. I don't really want it to do that, so I'm just going to cut. What I'm cutting right now is really the underneath of the hair. I know that looks kind of crazy, but I just took out quite a bit. Oh, that feels better already. So we'll do a front section so you can see it. So kind of a triangle. Really, I'm just taking places where it feels heavy. I'm gonna take it up. And then when I'm cutting this top, really it's the underneath layering. So that's how I'm gonna get movement and hide any layering that I'm gonna put in here. And especially if you're doing this at home on yourself, already that feels so much better. So, can you see how this just moves so much freer instead of being so blocky? That's just 2 sections of lightening up the underneath for that movement. The weight factor is already better. So again, it's kind of center parted right at the occipital. I'm just gonna swoop up, take a section, make sure to comb out any tangles you may have. It's a little harder to do it on your non-dominant side. So I'm gonna turn for this one. Let's go this way. So just scissor into it a little bit. I'm looking into the mirror as I do it. And because it's underneath, I don't care if you go on top or on the bottom. It doesn't really matter. So it looks crazy hanging. Let's comb that out. Let's see how much hair comes out. That's a good amount, but that's all weight. That's all hair I don't need. And so let's do here. Another triangle section. I'm gonna comb it up. And again, it's always easier for me to do it on the side of my dominant hand. So on this side, we're just gonna, yeah, I can't do it that way. So we're just gonna come in and I'm not worried, I just took a section out. It's okay. That's why I say do your layering underneath. Nobody will see it. Already it feels better. It's just so hot. Okay, so I still feel super weighty right behind my ear. And when I say weighty, it's just really thick. Now, my hair is naturally thick, so I'm not gonna take out so much weight that it doesn't feel like my hair anymore. Now, right behind the ear, anywhere where there's a part or the edge of the hair, you know, we want to leave that perimeter. So I was seeing my ear, so I just dropped about 1 inch of hair back out. And yes, I'm a bit dusty. I'm a hairstylist, but my scalp is a bit dusty from the season changing. Just stress of the world. It's natural, it happens. And I have good shampoos too. But yes, this is also day 3, I think, of no shampoo. So that could be a layer of dry shampoo on my head. Now, I need the top to feel better. So I just comb it all forward. Now, this is where you want to be delicate, because this is the top. This is the outside layer that people are going to see, that you're going to see. Anything that falls out, just let it, because you want to be able to look in your mirror, okay? So, this hair here, I'm just going to slide we're sliding very softly. So as I'm at the edge of the hair, that's when the shear closes. And it's just lightening it up. Probably gonna get tired of me saying that, but if you found this video, there is a video of my just basic at home long haircut without all the extra. Oh, so much better. See how soft it is? You don't want to see any hard, jagged lines. That's the key. Now, because I liked that so much, I'm gonna do the same thing, but I have to figure out, okay, so there, here, we'll do it like this, so you can see it. There's a basic long hair tutorial as well. That one did the face framing. Ooh, dusty. But I'm in need of a shampoo. But I don't normally have my hair straight, so I wanted to get this done and show you. See, that was such little hair, so now we'll come back here where there's a little bit more hair. See how straight that is? I mean, that means I did a pretty good haircut at the bottom, but I like it a little softer. You could also come in like this. At home, this is probably gonna be your easiest bet. But just close on your outstroke. That way you're not cutting your finger. And see, I'm still about a ½ inch from my fingers. Don't cut yourself, okay? It's no fun. Trust me, I've done it a lot. Over here. All right, let's feel this. To me, it already feels better. That's the key. I just want mine cut. See all that movement in there? That's what we've created. The movement, the flow. I wear mine most of the time with a bend in it. Or a curl, shall we say. So that's why I'm cutting mine again. Just a little bit more aggressive into there. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna finger comb it out. Already, it's not so blocky at the bottom. And blocky is fine. Like I said, if your hair isn't as thick as mine. Mine just didn't want to move. And I don't like that. And I don't, as much as I like long hair, mine tends to get heavy and then I feel it and it annoys me all day. I don't want to do that. So here you go. Can you tell a difference? Any questions? Let me know. Have fun. Bye.